It's the heritage, guys.
The pride. Yeah, the pride.
And the glory of owning one of these LC.
Oh, mga bashers natin, magingay. Guys, you cannot brainwash a whole nation. Pero thanks anyway for bashing.
Yeah, and most probably, some of these bashers never owned an LC. That's why. And hindi gas consumption ang pinag-uusapan dito when it comes to LC. So that's the LCFJ TX. So I have separate vlog for this, for the VX, the top of the line. Pero ngayon, etong TX ang pupunta natin. And by the way, upgraded ang mags nito. Let's check it out. Yeah, man. So I have to cover the conduction, of course, for privacy. I had the vlog did for this one. Whereas the comparison versus the VX, the top of the line. Pero ito, mas focus tayo dito sa TX. So, like I mentioned, dito, mas ideal to sa mga balak i-upgrade overall. So, pero na-mention ko sa unang vlog ko, the VX, that's the white pearl, yung mga differences ito. Pero i-cite lang natin ulit to, since na-click nyo na to, guys. Wala itong fog lights. Look at that, guys. Right? Yung VX meron. And the wheel design, actually ito, upgraded lang to. Pinapakita lang to just in case gusto nyo mag-upgrade ng mags and the tires. So, currently, ang nakabit dito is the Toyo tires. Right? Solid na solid ang dating. Pero originally, the stock one is the steel rim. Right? Then, wala itong side molding. Right? Okay? And wala ding blind spot monitoring for this TX. So, supposed to be, nandito nakalagay yung 360 camera eh. I hope you can see it against the light. Right? Like I mentioned, wala tong fog lights. Okay? The price difference for this variant, the TX and the VX, is around 340,000 as of this July 2026. And of course, ayokong sayangin yung pag-click nyo, papasok tayo dito. So ito yung mags natin na just in case gusto nyo i-upgrade. Around 240,000, apat na po yan. 4 mags and 4 tires. Right? All terrain. Yeah. So let's go inside this LCFJ TX. So guys, ito yung design ng ating door panel. Okay? Yan, it's all plastic, whereas sa VX, meron siyang leather accent. I mean, leather design. Okay? You can feel that. Pero dito, it's all plastic, being the base variant. So meron tayong isang cup holder, extended, speaker. Okay? So it's all plastic. Then, ito yung design niya. Okay? Ang adjustment natin for the side mirrors, ito mga cursor. Okay? Cursor arrows. Then, left or right selector sa side mirror. Then, meron tayong auto fold, auto retract para sa side mirrors. Unfold, then fold. Okay? Meron tayong central lock ng windows. And meron tayong 4 panels. So guys, that's the 4 panel windows. And ito naman yung central lock ng windows. Okay? So that's the door panel. Kita nyo ba? Alright guys. Then moving on, ito yung pang level ng ilaw natin actually. Pwede nyo itutok downward or upward yung headlight natin. So yan, very helpful yan. Then ito naman, actually nakalimutan ko dahil iba yung icon pero mukha siyang parking sensors. Guys, I will have to apologize in advance. Bagong-bago tong FJ. Pero alam ko na possible pero iba lang itsura ng icon. Okay? Ito naman is for the open ng gas. Ito naman yung pang-open natin ng hood. Okay? Nice. So ito naman yung ating steering wheel. Okay? Kamukhang-kamukha niya yung sa Prado. Right? So dito napansin ko agad plastic design dito, whereas dun sa top of the line is meron siyang piano black accent dito. Then actually mas smooth yung feel nung leather sa VX. Pero actually hindi naman nagmamatter yan sa mga ibang ano natin, off-roader natin na super fan ng LC. Alright? So ito, meron tayong back button, meron tayong answer call. Okay? So itong cursor na to, ito yung pang-navigate natin, and that's the enter button, the okay. Pang-navigate natin to para dito sa adjustment, sa multi-information display. Okay? Kung marirecall nyo yung Nokia, dati ang mga Nokia hindi pa yan touchscreen na phone. Okay? You have to use the cursor button. Okay? Ito yun. And ito yung volume adjustment, guys. Oh. Okay? Up, down. Right? So, meron tayong voice command. So, of course, nandito yung busina natin. And look at this. Sa top of the line, dito nakalagay yung mga cruise control. Right? So, may mga clients tayo. Ayoko silang tawagin oldies. Pero sabi nga nila, tumanda na kami, lumaki kami, na wala yung mga cruise control or anything na yan. Pero, yun yung ano nila, preference sila. So, kanya-kanya tayo. Then, meron tayong selector dito. Then, this one is for the mode. Okay? Usually, itong mode na to, yung shortcut between, you can cycle AM, FM, then Bluetooth. So, being the base variant, of course, LC to, guys. Hindi pwedeng hindi to push start button. Push start, okay? Then, ito yung design ng monitor na, and actually, guys, sa top of the line, sakop na sakop yung buong area na to as monitor. Whereas dito, of course, medyo mas maliit yung ating screen. And inuulit ko lang, at price difference of what? 340,000 TX versus the VX. Okay, you can watch the VX vlog. Yon, meron akong quick comparo versus the VX and the TX. Okay, chat me lang. So ito yung aircon vent design natin, guys. Hazard button, right? Auto mode for auto max. Then ito yung off button. Front defogger, rear defogger, thermostat adjustment, synchronize, air circulation, thermostat. Piano black design. Then meron tayong type C power supply, right? So meron tayong dito second start, downhill assist, high speed 2-wheel drive, high speed 4-wheel drive, low speed 4-wheel drive. Traction button, differential lock, okay? Then ang drive modes natin dito, so you have to push this one to adjust the drive mode. Okay, meron tayong park, reverse, neutral, and drive mode with Tiptronic plus minus. Okay? And dito, guys, magulat kayo. Both variants is with this classic handbrake. Ganun talaga eh. Okay? So, kapag yung mga off-roader natin, talagang mas handy to. Dahil while focus ka sa road, okay, you just have to grab this nang wala nang tingin-tingin dito sa side mo. Okay? Napaka-handy niyan. So, ito yung cup holder natin. Dito naman, ito yung center pocket natin. Okay, itong center pocket natin, meron siyang power supply, the classic one. The round one. Yan, nakita nyo ba? Ayun, oh. Okay. Actually, sa mga classic nyan, sindihan ng lighter yan. And the glove box. Nice. So, yan. Plastic. Okay. Wala siyang leather coating, ha. And same design for the driver's side. Okay. Then, ito na ang ating headliner. So, yan. Meron tayong salamin na merong integrated light. So, every time you slide this one, the mirror, iilaw yan. And meron tayong, ayan, central cabin light. Kita nyo ba? Yan, nag-on off siya. Meron din siyang door function. So, iilaw siya if in case may naka-open na doors. Yan. Then, sa driver's side, of course, meron din tayong salamin. Yan, nakita niya ba? Every time I slide this one, umiilaw yung ibabaw. Okay? Then, meron tayo dito ang handle. And another handle dito. Okay? Another handle dito sa driver's side. Okay, very handy. Yan. Yan. Especially sa mga tito natin na baka merong gout. Alright? So, that's the first row. Okay? So, by the way, this, guys, is again the TX. Right? So, dito ang adjustment ng seat natin is manual. Okay? Meron tayong seat height adjuster. Ito yung sandalan. Nice. So, moving on dito sa second row. Same design for the door panel. Yeah? Isang cup holder. A little bit extended. Yan. It's all plastic. Okay? Most of the cars naman talaga is plastic design dahil para maging lightweight. Alright? Then meron tayong file, lagayan ng file, classic power supply, yan. Same goes sa VX, sa top of the line. Then wala na tayong cabin light dito. Okay? So ang cabin light lang natin for the ceiling is sa driver, first row, and dun sa third row. Okay, nakita nyo ba? Okay? So dito sa second row wala tayong ilaw. Right? So full leather Isofix. Okay, kita nyo? So yan. That's the look. Yan. Nice. So yeah. LCTX. Look at the third row cabin. Okay, kita nyo ba? So guys, check out also my vlog for the top of the line, the VX. Alright. So, dito sa back portion natin is meron pa rin tayong 4 na backing sensors. Then meron tayong reverse light, reflector. So, okay, black yung design ng ating Land Cruiser FJ indicator. Okay. Then, nandito pa rin naman yung backing camera natin. Okay. Diyan Nice. So, meron tayong wipers, wiper and sprinkler, then shark fin antenna. Alright. So, yeah. This one is the bronze. Yan. LCFJ TX. So, that's it guys. That's the LCFJ. That's the base variant, the TX. So, watch also the VX in top of the line. Na-vlog ko na yun. Nandito rin sa channel ko, TikTok and YouTube. So, kinumpare ko doon yung Comparo versus the TX and the VX. Yan. Maraming difference din. 340,000 difference. Pero iba-iba tayo ng preference eh. Diba? Merong clients na mas gusto nila to dahil imo-modify nila in the future. Then, meron naman mas prefer nila yung VX dahil mas kompleto yan. So, guys, visit my TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, huwag kayo mahiya. Ulitin ko lang, meron kaming trade-in. What else? Transfer your approval. Kahit sa ibang brand pa yan. Okay? So, yung kanina yung mga bashers natin, guys, inuulit ko lang, hindi nyo mabibrainwash yung buong nation. So, that's it. Bye.